Hey guys, so today I want to review this Home Intuition drying clothing rack that I got from Amazon. I'm currently studying abroad and I don't have a drying machine, so I was in a desperate need for a drying rack, and I got this from Amazon and I love it. It fits all of the clothes I wash usually, and it's super easy to fold and to put away. I have it here in this room where no one lives currently and it works great, but you can also put it outside. But I find that it works very great also to like put inside, like not only outside. And I love the separation because it's perfect for like the clothes not to get like overlaid. And yeah, it's super easy to like fold and to put away. If you're looking for like a clothing rack to dry all your clothes, I definitely recommend this. It fits a lot of clothes and it's super easy to put away, and I just really like it, and I love how it fits all my clothes. So yeah, definitely check it out on Amazon and let me know if you guys like it as much as I do.